Hello, good morning. Scanning tunneling microscope. A scanning tunneling microscope is a type of scanning probe microscope used for imaging surface at the atomic level. The principle of electron tunneling was proposed by Giver. He envisioned that if a potential difference is applied to two metals separated by a thin insulating film, a current will flow because of the ability of electrons to penetrate a potential barrier. Although small, there is a finite probability for tunneling. To be able to measure a tunneling current, the two metals must be spaced no more than 10 nanometer apart. The tunneling current is highly sensitive to the separation distance. This factor is crucial in ensuring the excellent vertical resolution of STM less than 0.1 nanometer. Tunneling current decreases factor of second as separation is increased by 0.2 nanometer. Very high lateral resolution depends upon the sharp tips. Binding and his groups overcome two key obstacles for damping external vibrations and for moving the tunneling probe in close proximity to the sample. Their instrument is called scanning tunneling microscope, which is used in ambient environment for atomic scale image for surface. Principle of scanning tunneling microscope. The principle of the scanning tunneling microscope is straightforward. A sharp tip, one electrode of the tunnel junction, is brought close enough 0.2 1 nanometer to the surface to be investigated second electrode. So that at a convenient operating voltage 10 microvolt to 1 volt, the tunneling current varies from 0.2 to 10 nanometer nanoampere, which is measurable. The tip is scanned over a surface at a distance of 0.3 to 1 nanometer, while the tunneling current between it and the surface is measured. In scanning tunneling microscope, a conductive tip placed above the surface of the sample moves on the sample with its height be adjusted continuously to keep the tunneling current constant. The tip position is monitored to map the surface topography of the sample. A sample tip of tungsten or platinum iridium alloy is mounted on the three-dimensional positioning stage. The tip movement above the sample surface is around 0.2 to 0.6 nanometer, which generate a tunneling current of about 0.1 to 10 nanoampere. The spatial resolution is about 0.01 nanometer in the X and Y direction and about 0.002 nanometer in the Z direction, which leads to the true atomic resolution in 3 dimensions. Instrumentation. Sample tunneling voltage, tube piezoelectric tube with electrode, tunneling current amplifier, distance control and scanning unit, data processing and display, current voltage for piezo tube. A typical scanning tunneling microscope consists of major three components. Similar to the atomic force microscope, the probe is an important component of scanning tunneling microscope. It is made up of tungsten or platinum iridium alloy. At the end of the scanning head, tip or probe is attached scanning head contains a tube containing the three piezo elements, piezoelectric tube. The voltage for piezo elements is supplied by three electrodes so that tip can be scanned in X, Y, and X direction independently. The electrodes are connected to scan and distance control feedback units, which helps to control the sample probe distance if needed in very short time scanning. The scanning tunneling microscope can be operated in two modes of constant current mode. In this mode, current is made constant during scanning by changing the vertical position of the tip. If the tip position is recorded at every X and Y position during scanning surface makeup of the sample or topography can be obtained. Constant height mode. In this mode, tip height is made constant and tunneling current at every step of scanning is measured. This also helps to map surface makeup of the sample. Constant height mode works best for atomically flat mode. If the sample is not flat, then scanning tip can crash. When it meets the sample or tip can damage the sample. However, constant height mode offers higher scanning speed as high as 10 frames per second compared to constant mode around 1 frame per second. Sample specification. In scanning tunneling microscope, tunneling current is measured between sample and the tip. This requires sample to be conductive. Information that can be obtained from scanning tunneling microscope, shape, size, and organization of individual particles or molecules, that is morphology, along with topographical height information. The topographical information helps to characterize surface roughness of the sample. Electronic information of various conductive surface in spectroscopic mode. Atom by atom manipulation of sample is possible using STM tip. Scanning tunneling microscope based nanolithography helps to fabricate nanoscale templates. In constant height mode, if sample is automatically flat, the large change in the tunneling current is an indicative of presence of atoms of different types of or presence of contaminants like azote gases. Okay, it's all about scanning tunneling microscope. Thanks for watching and request you all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for patience. That is now bye-bye. See you again.